In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your Bybit wallet address. Whether you're looking to deposit or withdraw crypto, this is a crucial step, so let's get right into it. First things first, open Bybit. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. Now look for the Assets tab on the bottom navigation bar. This is where you see all your balances for different cryptocurrencies and manage deposits and withdrawals. Click on Deposit. You'll be taken to a new page where you can see your unique wallet address. This is your Bybit wallet address for Bitcoin. It's a long string of letters and numbers. You can copy this address by clicking on the Copy Address button. Now you can use this address to send Bitcoin from another exchange or wallet to your Bybit account. Just make sure you're sending the right type of crypto to the right address. For example, don't send Ethereum to a Bitcoin address. And that's it. You now know how to find your Bybit wallet address and manage your deposits and withdrawals.